Animals in dreams and their hidden meanings. The animals you see in dreams carry hidden messages, and their actions reveal their true intentions.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Cats and dogs. If a cat or dog helps you, it means an angel is by your side. But if they attack, it's a sign of a spiritual enemy working against you. Dogs attacking you symbolize enemies close to you, possibly even family. Size and strength. The bigger and fiercer the animal, the stronger your spiritual enemy. Rats are often a sign of a dark presence or a spiritual attack. If you defeat the rat in your dream, your spirit is strong. But if it overcomes you, it's a warning to pray and engage in spiritual warfare immediately. Frogs and insects. These often point to demonic forces at work. Lions. A lion can mean different things. If it hunts you, it represents a strong enemy. But if it protects or helps you, it shows that you have powerful spiritual allies. Owls and birds. These can act as spies, sent to observe you and report back to your enemies. Vultures. Seeing a vulture can warn of danger, death, a powerful spiritual enemy, or an approaching powerful spiritual attack.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Vorms often represent sickness, death, or demonic activity and may appear in warning dreams, urging you to engage in spiritual warfare. Snakes are clear signs of spiritual enemies. A yellow snake hints at a betrayal by someone very close, perhaps a family member.
Like, follow, and share for